Hi everyone and welcome back again. In the previous video we explained how to work with Google Sheet and I give you some examples about functions, formulas, and we can do anything and you can using everything in the Google Sheet like exactly like Excel, and how we can using the Google Sheet in both mobile or computer, how you can install it in your mobile and also using in your computer. So on this lecture I will start with the sharing, which is the most important feature in the Google Sheet. So now after I complete that, and as I said, everything automatically save it in the Google Drive. You can just go to Google Drive in the same email, your same account, and go to Google Drive and you can find your file. Now I just open the file, my file, and from file I can go to share, or just from here we can go to share. Now I will try to share this file to my another email. So for example here I will insert my email, my university email. So this is my university email, for example. I add it. I will also using another email, for example this email. So now I add two accounts here, so you can share it with your friend, with your colleagues, so I can just add this one. Here's very important thing we have. Like we can give the permission. For example, I add Usama.cs and Al-atraqchi. I have those two emails here, and I can give them a permission to do what? For example, here viewer or commenter or editor. So the viewer can only view this file. Can just see this file. I cannot do anything. I cannot change the permission. I cannot edit the file, delete, or add anything inside the file or inside the sheet. Commenter, I can just only make a comments, but I cannot edit or modify the file itself, just add some comments. Editor, we can do everything. Even we can as an editor I can change the permission as well. I can delete, I can modify the file or do anything I want as an editor. Here if you just select that share with people setting, I can say here share with people setting, editor can change permission and share. So editor can do anything, can change permission and share. I can just remove this permission. So editor cannot change permission and share, or I can just give him this permission so he can change and he can share. But for example I don't need that, so I can delete that. Viewer and commenter can see the option to download, print and copy. So by default editor can change permission. For example I can add a permission to another one or remove permission from another one. And viewer by default and commenter can see the option to download, print and copy the file. So I can also remove this permission from them. I need of them just can see the file without printed or downloaded, or I can just give them this permission as you want from here, because you are the owner of the file. Because I create the file, I am not editor, I am owner of the file, so I can do everything. I can add a permission, delete the permission, I can do anything. I can delete the file, for example. But even editor by default can add a permission and can share the file. You can just as an owner, you can delete this permission from the editor if you want. So I can just go back here. Then I can send a message, for example, please help me to edit this file. So I just send a message to them, to Usama.cs and Al-atraqchi, and they are both editors here. The name of the file test, so I can send. So automatically will send a message to Usama.cs and Al-atraqchi in the Gmail. So I can go to the Gmail. For example, here I will access with the Al-atraqchi, for example. So I can just go to this email, this one. Then go to Gmail. So I will find the invitation from here. Here I can find this invitation. So I can edit the file here. Just go to this email and then open this file. So I can open it, so I can see everything he can see. So here I am in this account, Usama, and here the owner in this account, a different. So here there's two here. And I will start also to go, because I shared with two, right? With Usama.cs and Al-atraqchi. Here Al-atraqchi here, and then Usama.cs. I will go to my mobile and I can try to share it in the mobile. So here in the mobile, for example, I will open Gmail. If you have a mobile, you can just go to Gmail. If you have invitation from someone, so you can just go to Gmail and I can find the message from Usama. Then I can open the sheet. So now I have two accounts open or shared with this file by mobile. So you can see here I have three Now the owner and Usama Al-atraqchi and Usama.cs. So from mobile, for example, I can write something here. Just double click. I am from working from mobile. So here I just write this thing here, and if I just see here, I will see that this change. Hi, I am working from mobile. And here, for example, I can go to another account and hi, I am working from this computer, I mean. So here I can see everything as an owner. Here working from PC and here working from mobile. You can see. So now we have three working in the same file. So you can share it with anybody and we can working, all of you can working together in the just one file. So now all of them are editors. So I can change that if I want. For example, Usama Al-atraqchi here, I can make it just a viewer. So just a viewer here and save again. Now if I go to Usama here, so here now I am in the Usama. So I will try to add something here. I cannot add anything because I am just a viewer, so I cannot do anything. You can just view the file and something like this, but not delete anything or add anything here. So you can, as an owner, you can change the permission. So this everything. You can just create a file and then share it. Go to share and share the file with any email. Just add an email and share the file and change the permission, viewer or editor or so I hope it was clear and thank you very much.